wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ. Come and shut up selector boy.
Boom! What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in the music club with another banger today, man. And today, yo, we got a crazy video today, guys. I don't know if you saw social media and what's going on and all that stuff you hear are going surrounding Lincoln Tree that and Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion. I don't know if you heard it. If you haven't heard what's going on, or you've been on the rock lately, or you haven't been on social media lately, man, crazy thing going on. Apparently, there's big controversy around Lincoln Tree that Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion. Apparently, Lincoln Tree that dropped this song featuring Starr like a year ago entitled "Bang," and I talk on social media that Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion went ahead and copied this song. You know what I'm saying? So right now, a lot of people is talking about you should sue and all type of stuff. So we don't know what exactly is going on. So I want to check out both of the songs, see if the songs are similar, and see which one is stolen. You feel me? So first we're gonna do is check out Lincoln Tree that song. You feel me? That they allegedly Cardi B stole. You see me? So the first thing we're gonna do is go check out this song and see what he's saying, and then we're gonna check out Cardi B's song on the next video and see, compare and see what actually happened, if anything happened. Okay, but before we jump in this, gang, if you're new to the channel, make sure you say like and subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. You already know. Remember, say check out the description, man. Make sure you join the Discord. You feel me? We're live over there on Discord. You can send me videos directly, message me directly, all that good stuff. We'll lead over there, so make sure you join in the Discord, yo. You know what I'm saying? Like me said, we there react to Lincoln Tree that featuring Starr, the one entitled "Bang." Yeah, man, I want to roll up the vibes much longer, cause yo, it's very interesting. This is not something I expected to see. You feel me? So this is a very interesting occurrence. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna roll up the vibe much longer. Let's jump right in the track. This is Lincoln Tree that featuring Starr, "Bang." Let's get it.
I'm playing with you. Bang, 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 yeah, bang, 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 yeah, bang, yeah, bang, 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 bang.
Okay, Afri, from I'm hearing that song, it sounds like it's a girl tune. You feel me? Somebody gonna shake their ass and stuff on this one. Off rip, just when you hear that bang, bang, and you hear that iconic Jamaican song, that 1, 2, 3. You feel me? That came from Jamaica. That sound created a lot of Spanish music, Brazilian, reggaeton, all type of Caribbean music. So yeah, they can't say Spanish music, man. Blood clot, I mean, how that rebel blood clot TC. Yeah, say the shape good, girl. Alright. Watch pretty. I think that she that pretty still, boy. Go on, do your thing.
Watch you roll it on me on. Yeah, me have the money with me out to need a fan. Fuck around and get a tan. Book boss in a fuck a summit tan. Hey pretty girl, come and take it from your man.
You say what? What you say? Roll it on the hand. Dog say what? You say man, take man roll it on the hand. Well, I need to hear that, bro. I hear that, I say. You see me? I'm not a big fan of Lincoln. You know what I'm saying? But you know, if the accusation are true, I need to run this man his coins. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it.
Watch you roll it on me on. Yeah, me have the money with me out to need a fan. Fuck around and get a tan.
Man say, watch you roll it on me hand, wear me hat. Yeah, when you say, yeah, me have the man, watch you roll it on me hand, wear me hat, me gonna need a fan. Okay, alright, come on.
Book boss in a fuck a summit tan. Hey pretty girl, come and take it from your man. Baby, me have a plan. Vacation, fuck you on the sun. Give you a couple grand.
You say, yo, hey, we say me have a plan, baby, come and take you from your man. You see me and say me have a plan, vacation, fuck you on the sun.
Make you get a van, put it in a brand. When I put you on the bed, headboard gossa, it gossa.
Bang, 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 bang.
Hey, the part of me real, man. So when I put you on the bed head gossa. Bang,
bang, bang, bang, bang. When I'm in your house, I'm in bed. Bang, 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 bang.
Y'all want me catch you?
Bang, 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 bang. When I'm in your house, I'm
on the floor.
Me I get private jet, chain for my neck. Y'all pussy wet.
He's the one that say fly by jet, chain for the neck, y'all pussy.
Baby, no bother fret if your boyfriend vex. If you want sex, maybe take you on a flex. Yeah, fat pussy, then me I gonna need it. Yeah, squeeze a bit, it make me need it. Yeah, tacky, make you
say fat pussy, then me I gonna need it. Squeeze a bit, it make me need it.
Feel it, yeah. Bust in your belly, make her breathe it.
Bang, bang, bang,
bang, bang, bang. When me catch up.
Bang, 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 bang. When I'm in your house, I'm
on the bed.
Bang, 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 bang.
On the floor.
Bang, bang.
It's a fun track, definitely a fun track. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Lincoln, man. I'm not a fan of Lincoln or music, you know what I'm saying? But when you do your thing, just do your thing, you know what I'm saying? I want to definitely gear towards the ladies. So I'm guessing, you know, niggas are not supposed to like it anyway. Clad dog, have a three bad girl, three bad dancer. Three bad dancer, this time I had no female wise, you know. You see me? TC pretty and Red Bull. I wish you better so. Okay. Me not lie. Me not lie still, you know. Rebel, you know I rock with you, Rebel. Me not lie, you so bumbo like TC and pretty I beat a Rebel. Them shape look a bit better, me nah. Hey, pretty got a shape on her blood clot, me not lie. And TC, I can get him on TC. Hey, I know TC with this thing though. Yeah, I know sure ass with that much shape. But it's a Rebel, you kinda come in last though, mama. You know what I'm saying? You know I'm rock with you though, Rebel. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, man, TC blood clot pretty thick your fault, man. Yeah, man, I go pretty still in that. Yeah.
Hey, pretty girl, come me take you from your man. If you want sex, me take you on a flex. If you want.
Bumbo clad, mama don't bust it, you know. You go to drop the watch the explode, boy. Easy, pretty girl, yeah.
Take you on a flex.
Easy, no? Hey, Rebel.
Put you on the bed, headboard, it goes up. Bang, 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 bang. She got talented, bang, 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 bang. When I'm in your house, I'm in bed, bang, 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 bang. She got talented.
Easy, no man, dog. Yeah, spy girl, share the ass, I gotta slap it up. Easy, no man, watch ya.
Bang, 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 bang. When I'm in your house, I'm in bed,
bang, 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 bang. All to them. Easy, no? Yeah, man. Girl, oh, she fine. She, okay, she fine right here. Yeah, right here. That little thing right here. Oh, yeah, she fine. Skin on here look good. Bumba clam on my yarn. Bang. Easy, no man. Oh, yeah, I mean, no man. Put a tickers on your bicycle. Easy. I did not TC. Me no know so TC this run. Big man thing. I know TC this run. TC got body, man. Right? TC they don't give enough credit, mama. You see me? Because of your face or something. But still, you know what I'm saying? You're still a good man. You know what I'm saying? Gang, let me know what y'all think about that one. That was Lincoln Tree that bang. He dropped that like a year ago. He have over 1.8 million views. I don't know how I never heard that song. You know what I'm saying? Then again, I'm not a big fan of Lincoln. You know what I'm saying? But he's doing this thing as a, you know, he was an influencer and now he's a musician. He also is a business owner. So shout out to him. I'm not a big fan of, I mean, he's not a big fan of Lincoln. Let me tell you, a lot of things that he stand for, I do not. You feel me? A lot of things where I'm stand for, you know, a lot of things that he represent, I don't stand for. You know what I'm saying? Like, you old bowing thing, you know, associate a bunch of questionable people type stuff. But he's a hardworking youth. You know what I'm saying? He have him influence, he have him people. He's hardworking, he's a business owner, a very successful business owner with him. I think he sell like pills and stuff. You know what I'm saying? The girls them gravitate towards him, even though he be pandering and saying some shit. But hey, we not knock a man. You see me? I say? You see me? But the girls them gravitate towards him, so good for him. You know what I'm saying? He got his business going, good for him. He does music, and certain people like his music, so good for him, all that good stuff. I mean, he's not a big fan of Lincoln, but if Cardi B them did steal this man's song, run that man his coin, pay that man, you know what I'm saying? And Lincoln don't back down, bro. Don't make nobody talk about your money not tall as them, so you can't win. But you will win, bro, and you win. Get a good liar believing in themselves, bro. You see me? And know what them do. And work with them. You see me? They could. You don't have to pay them up front. Them say you have to win this. Find out what they say. If you win this amount I get, and you sue their ass, bro. Don't listen to nobody, bro. You can't fight them and don't settle, bro. You feel me? If you go sue them all the way through, bro. Do not settle out of court, bro. Don't start up a legal battle and then want to settle, bro. Cause you're afraid, and cause that's not good, bro. The dancehall genre, a lot of times they've been doing this. You know what I'm saying? They've been doing this a lot. You see me? From beginning of time, and I don't know why dancehall artists don't be suing or taking legal actions. I mean, we literally built a whole genre of Afrobeat, a whole genre of reggaeton. Like, come on, bro. Yeah, so if you're taking legal actions, bro, take your legal actions all the way through. Do not settle out of court. Don't listen to nobody say you don't have money for fight this. Don't afraid of Cardi B them or nothing. Cause just click, bro. You feel me? We're gonna check out the next song, but if it's similar to that, you know what I'm saying, sue all the way through, man. If you feel like you've been wrong, bro, real talk. But gang, let me know what you think about it one day. What do you think about the whole controversy? Do you think that Cardi B did actually rip off Lincoln Tree? That, you know what I'm saying? Did Cardi B actually rip off Lincoln Tree? That? And let me know. Should he take legal actions? Do you think he can win? You feel me? And should he go through him? Let me know in the comment section, man. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, shout out to Lincoln. Keep doing your thing, man, and keep shooting for the stars, my G. You don't know, gang. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you like a shout out to some love and support. Let me know what you think about the whole controversy in the comment section. Should he follow up legally? Should he sue? All that good stuff. Let's talk about it, man. Don't know. Till next time, it's boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.